Hello everyone and welcome to another edition of Friday Fast Facts. I'm your host, Josh Kirbach. That's my co-host, Avery Hodge. Avery, I know that we got our first piece of fan mail, so would you like to read it for us?
Absolutely. Dear Original One sales staff, thanks so much for the magnetic koozies. I was so worried that it was going to stick to my can, but it didn't. Thanks, Avery H., Houston.
Avery, how many Avery H's do you think there are in Houston?
You know, Josh, it's a big city.
Well, Avery, that brings up a great topic for today. Is your facility aluminum ready? So Avery, a customer brings you your very first aluminum repair. No big deal. You guys are professionals and you're prepared for this, right?
Josh, actually, that couldn't be further from the truth. I can't speak on behalf of each manufacturer and their repairs procedures, but I do know that in most cases, actually every case, you need your own aluminum room for those kind of repairs.
Avery, it's very important that you have your own set of tools dedicated for aluminum repair inside of that room, including, but not limited to, an aluminum welder, riveter, and of course, your very own dust collection system.
The last thing a shop needs is a foreign metal contaminating the raw aluminum. That's only going to lead to corrosion in the future.
Absolutely. And Avery, it's a great idea to get as much aluminum-specific training as possible in the industry. Many organizations and manufacturers have their own series on the do's and don'ts that are going to keep your customers, your coworkers, and everyone involved safe.
That's right, Josh. Safety is a huge aspect when it comes to aluminum. Aluminum dust needs to be kept to a minimum. Not only is it hazardous to inhale, but particles under 420 microns are prone to combustion.
Well, Avery, those are all great tips, but it's just the beginning. I encourage you to go out and learn as much as you can about safe and effective aluminum repairs. And everyone, thank you for joining us for another edition of Friday Fast Facts. And remember, it's not just a part in a box, it's the original one.
And also remember, just because aluminum isn't a heavy metal doesn't mean you can't enjoy heavy metal.